so fucked up. Arrest her. She can't have it. That's cruelty.
There's a problem there.
There's puppies in a bag that she's trying to sell.
He sells?
She's selling them in a plastic bag.
I think she said she's trying to sell them.
She's trying to sell them in a plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
Yeah, but eventually if the kid won't breathe or something.
That's illegal. That's animal cruelty.
What is it, the ASPC? What is that called? The Animal Protection...
They're in a plastic...
No, that's not what you did. When you saw us, you walked completely different. No, that's not how you walk.
Look, the dog out my house about 4 hours like this. I came from all the way.
Oh my god.
Where do you live?
That's the address in there. Just do it. Just look where I'm from. I don't do anything. I don't steal any dog. I don't do anything wrong. This America. This America. You can sell anything.
Be cruel to animals.
No, that dog got food.
No.
Right.
Dog got milk.
They need a dog carrier, not a bag.
Not a plastic bag.
It's not a dog carrier.
And they look like they're less than 3 months. They look like they're newborn. Okay. Thank you.
I mean, if she's taking care of them.
They don't even look like they're 3 months.
How old are they?
They look like newborn, which is more upsetting.
How old? Oh, because they're 3 months supposedly.
They're supposed to be 3 months. I don't
you
think they're 3
serious?
months.
Are you serious that they're 3 months? No way.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my gosh, no way. No way.
I didn't do anything wrong. You can't take my dog. You can't put me in jail. This is America.
Okay, well,
Okay? But
yeah.
They look so young.
We don't mean to upset her. Like maybe she doesn't. Maybe she just doesn't know. I mean, I know. Like
How do you not know?
sometimes people are just mental. I don't know. Sometimes people like love animals and they're just like,
I'll hold the dog.
baby.
I'll hold the dog for you.
Aww.
I don't kill my dog.
Can we just take care of them?
The dog cost $1,000. And you want to take my dog away from me in jail?
No.
And I sell for $350. One lady took one. So she won't be lonely anymore.
Can we?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
You can't put me in jail. You can't take my dog
All right.
away. You can't take my dog away.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Well, we love you.
Plastic bag.
Okay. All right. All right. We love you. I'm sorry.
Get this lady a box.
Yeah, let's just. Well, no, they're not. They don't. If she's holding it open, then they're okay. They're okay, isn't it, or not?
She was like,
Oh, really?
We're making a phone call right now.
So she doesn't have. Just because you need a license to sell is what it is. Okay. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Okay, guys.